Two things that is holding back new gym goers' progress. Hey man, you're tuned to Hugh Up Next Fitness. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below. My social medias are also in the link tree as well. You got my TikTok on there. You also got my Instagram. I have an Instagram fitness page. We will be releasing a fitness app coming soon to help you guys on your gym progress, to grow, and to learn more things that you do not know. All right, man. Like I said, it's two things that's holding back new gym goers. The first thing that's holding back your progress is when you join the gym, you don't know what you're doing. And then you not only do you not know what you're doing, you're not asking for help. I'm shy. I'm this. I'm that. You're making excuses. You don't know how to use this machine. You don't know how many reps you need to do. You don't know this and you don't know that. So you're in there at a disadvantage. Now you want to quit because this is no fun because I don't know what I'm doing. You have to step outside your comfort zone. First, you've already stepped outside it by even coming there. The half of the battle is already done. Now you need to know what you're doing. And it's cool to go on, look on social media, see how the way to do this and that. But sometimes even then, you may not be mirroring what you're looking at because you can't see what you're doing, and you need to focus on what you're doing. So those two things right there, you can't just be too distracted on is my form right, is my form right, because you can't see it. So you're going to have to record yourself, or you're going to have to ask somebody for help. And then you got other machines in there that are really complicated, and you're just not gonna know what you're doing. So you just need to start stepping outside your zone. You got people, you got personal trainers in there. You got gym goers, regular gym goers, and that's gonna also help you build some type of connection with people in the gym. It's not only just all about you just being by yourself. Make it a little bit more social. Now we don't want to make this a social event the whole time. Make it a little more, step outside your comfort zone, meet some people. They may have some information about other things around your local area when it comes to fitness that can actually help you and benefit you in the long run. So I do find that when people do be new to the gym, they don't want to talk to nobody. They feel shy. They feel that. Get rid of the jitters. You've already made it in. You already made it in. Why not ask the person up front? You got the front desk worker. You got the person right there. Hey, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. What do you recommend? You don't even have to ask the regular gym goer. Ask one of the workers. They'll help you out too. A lot of y'all come in the gym don't know what y'all doing, and then it just be like, man, I wish this person technique is and form is all wrong, and you sitting there on in a machine, twiddling on your phone, twiddling your fingers, wasting time because you don't know what you're doing, and you act like you're too scared to ask for help. So you don't need to do that, especially as an adult. Ask for some help. That's the least you can do. Step outside of that. Don't feel embarrassed because we all been there. Even now, it's certain machines I don't know what to do. It's newer machines that come out. I'm like, what's this right here? I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna start asking for, you know. So what I do is I ask for help. I ask my, hey, you know how to use this? What do we do with this? What the bam. Okay. Now the next thing right here. This is a two-in-one combo. You're either working out too hard or you're not working out hard enough. Working out too hard, overtraining. What I mean is this could be, it's a lot of folds to this. You could either be, your technique can be bad, or you're working the body part too much. It's like you working the body part too much, and I mean what I mean by that is you did this body part one day, you might have did legs one day. Now the next day you're doing a full body workout with legs again. You overtraining. You don't know what you're doing. Again, ask for help. That goes back to the first point. Ask for help. You know, when you are overtraining or you have bad form, that can lead to extreme soreness. You're gonna be sore anyway because you're new to the gym. That's gonna happen. That's natural. But it can be extreme soreness, and it also can lead to early injuries and unnecessary injuries. Now you're putting yourself back behind the eight ball again, wishing that you would have asked for help and could just did it in the beginning. Then you got the people that's under training. Five pound weights, bro. 2.5 dumbbells. I don't care how weak you are, you're not that weak. You're doing too many reps. You're doing warm up reps on set 2 and 3, set 3 and 4. You're doing warm up reps. You're still doing 25 plus reps. You're not building. You're not putting your body under enough resistance for muscles to grow. And I'm not saying you got to get jacked like Ronnie Coleman or Sam Stulig or anybody like that. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that you have to be your nearest bodybuilder. Well, what I'm saying is you're not doing anything to get even 1% of it. Because again, you didn't ask for help, you don't know what you're doing. I'm not saying you have to hire a personal trainer or anything like that. What I'm saying is you need to get help. You need to ask somebody. You know, you ain't gotta limit yourself to just the videos. Get some ask somebody and if they look somewhat in shape, ask them, man, they don't built what you want already. They got some little tips and tricks. You don't want to spend 6 months in the gym. I be seeing people. I know personally, I'm seeing people spending 6, 7 months in the gym with no progress. And I know they go every day. They go, they legit go. No progress. It's like, hey, bro, you go all the time. You still like, and you have to be willing to learn too. Not only that, that's almost now we're gonna go with 3 of them. We're gonna go with 3 reasons. You're not willing to learn. You're not listening to nobody. Somebody that's more advanced than you in the gym, and then that if you working out with them or ask for their help, listen to them. Now they telling you to do stuff unsafe, nah. But I'm saying they giving you some advice to help you. Listen, a lot of people be hard headed. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. And then you wonder why your physique is not changing. You can't build on it because you're not listening. I'm gonna tell you one of the key things I tell people to do all the time: do real cardio. Cardio has to have some resistance, just like your weight training. If it's not no real resistance, it's just like you lifting a 5 pound weight. You're gonna have to do 1,000,000 of those before you get an ounce of muscle. Not even an ounce. Uh, 1% of an ounce. So that's what wrap up this video, man. Ask somebody for help. Don't overtrain and be willing to learn, man. If you tune into this video again, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you are interested in fitness content. Comment down below. Follow my social medias. Again, my link tree is down there, bro. We're building. We're working, man. I love y'all. Shalom.